So hello everyone, this is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul GFX. Today I will show you the best way and the easy way to set an anchor point in After Effects. So let's start. To fix this problem, we have to go to this edit option and then preferences and then general. It will take few seconds to load, and after that we have to enable this option, this center anchor point in new shape layer. We have to enable this option. Okay, let's enable this. Okay, done. After making these changes, whenever you create any shape layer, you can see the anchor point is automatically set in the center. So this is the best and easy way to fix this problem. Okay, it's done. I hope this tutorial will help you to learn something new. Now you can apply this trick to your upcoming projects. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. And for more tutorial, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.